How to find SIM management settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Truecaller. Now click on your profile and here click the settings icon in the top corner and then click calling. Here you will find it. And now click here we'll find it, set default SIM management settings, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.